everyone. Welcome to Dialoguing English podcast. I'm Sophia, your English teacher.
And I'm James, your English friend and student.
Today, we're going to travel together. Are you ready, James?
Oh, yes. I'm so excited. Where are we going today?
We're going to the airport first, and then we'll get on the plane.
Perfect. I love traveling, but airports can be confusing.
Don't worry. After this episode, you'll know how to speak English at the airport and on the plane.
Great. Let's go.
When we travel, we meet many people. So first, we need greetings.
Right, like saying hello or good morning.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Perfect. And when you leave, what do you say?
Goodbye or see you.
That's right. And don't forget, thank you and you're welcome.
Easy and friendly.
Very good. Now, let's go to the airport. Imagine, James, you arrive at the airport with your luggage.
Okay, I have my suitcase and my passport.
Great. You go to the check-in counter. The airline worker says, "Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?"
And I say, yes, here you are.
Very polite. Then they ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
I say, yes, one suitcase.
Perfect. Then they say, "Please put your bag on the scale."
Okay. Then they give me the ticket, right?
Yes. They say, "Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 12.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
That's easy.
Let's repeat some useful words. Passport, ticket, boarding pass, gate, flight, suitcase, bag.
Passport, ticket, boarding pass, gate, flight, suitcase, bag.
Excellent. At the airport, we use numbers all the time. Let's review 1 to 20 slowly.
Okay.
Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1, 2, 3, 20.
Great. Now let's use numbers in sentences. Gate 12. Flight number 25. Seat number 7.
Gate 12, flight 25, seat 7.
Excellent. And you can say, "My gate is number 5. My flight is number 10. My seat is number 12.
Easy to remember.
Now let's go to the security check.
Oh no, I always get nervous there.
Don't worry, James. Just listen and follow instructions. The officer says, "Please take off your jacket, put your bag on the belt, take your phone out, and walk through the scanner."
Okay. Jacket, bag, phone, scanner. Got it.
Excellent. Then they say, "Thank you. You can go."
Thank you.
Easy and polite.
Yes.
Now, before we get on the plane, let's practice days of the week.
Okay.
Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great. When is your flight, James?
My flight is on Friday.
Nice. And when will you come back?
on Sunday night.
Perfect. Now repeat, my flight is on Monday. My flight is on Friday. I travel on the weekend.
My flight is on Monday. My flight is on Friday. I travel on the weekend.
Excellent.
Now, James, you passed security. You're hungry.
Always.
You go to a cafe. The worker says, "Hello, what would you like to eat?"
I say, a sandwich, please.
Great. And maybe something to drink?
A coffee, please.
Perfect. Let's learn more food words. Sandwich, coffee, tea, water, juice, bread, apple, banana, salad.
Sandwich, coffee, tea, water, juice, bread, apple, banana, salad.
Wonderful. Now let's make short sentences. I want water. I like coffee. I eat a sandwich. I drink juice.
I want water. I like coffee. I eat a sandwich. I drink juice.
Excellent pronunciation. Now we are on the plane.
Finally, I love this part.
The flight attendant comes and says, "Hello, welcome on board."
Hello.
They say, "Please take your seat. Fasten your seatbelt. Put your bag under the seat."
Okay. Seatbelt, bag under seat.
Excellent. Now the plane takes off.
Wow, we're flying.
The flight attendant comes again and says, "Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Water.
Would you like something to eat?"
Yes, please. A snack.
Great. Let's repeat. Water, juice, coffee, tea, snack, sandwich.
Water, juice, coffee, tea, snack, sandwich.
Perfect. Now, let's look around the plane. What can you see?
I see a seat, a window, a tray table, and a light.
Very good. And you have your bag, your phone, your book, maybe your passport.
Yes, bag, phone, book, passport.
Let's repeat some common objects. Pen, notebook, phone, bag, key, ticket, passport, seat, window, tray table.
Pen, notebook, phone, bag, key, ticket, passport, seat, window, tray table.
Excellent. Now let's use them in sentences. My phone is on the table. My passport is in my bag. My seat is number 10. I read my book.
My phone is on the table. My passport is in my bag. My seat is number 10. I read my book.
Wonderful. Now let's practice daily activities because when we travel, we still have routines.
That's true.
Repeat after me. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I go home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I go home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
Great. And when you travel, you can change them a little. I wake up early. I go to the airport. I check in. I get on the plane. I eat on the plane. I arrive at my hotel.
I wake up early. I go to the airport. I check in. I get on the plane. I eat on the plane. I arrive at my hotel.
Excellent. Now let's do a short conversation. like in real life.
Okay, let's go.
You're at the airport. Check-in agent says, "Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?"
Yes, here you are.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Great. Your gate is number 10. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Now you are on the plane. The flight attendant says, "Hello, please take your seat.
Okay.
Would you like something to drink?"
Yes, water, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Easy and polite. I love it.
Now let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's see if I remember.
First, greetings. Hello, good morning, goodbye, thank you.
Easy.
Second, numbers. 1 to 20 and phrases like gate 12, seat number 5.
Check.
Third, days of the week. Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
Fourth, objects. Passport, ticket, bag, phone, seat, window.
Got it.
Fifth, food and drinks. Sandwich, coffee, tea, water, juice.
Yum.
And finally, daily activities. Wake up, brush teeth, go to work, sleep.
Perfect.
You did great today, James.
Thank you, teacher.
And to everyone listening, you did great too. Practice these words every day. Listen again, repeat the sentences, and use them when you travel.
Yes, English is easier when you practice a little every day.
That's true. And remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep dialoguing in English.
Exactly. Thank you for listening to Dialoguing English podcast. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.